everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brian, and today of course we have a new dance tutorial for you. The title of the song is called Beautiful People by Ed Sheeran. Alright, let's start. Alright, let's start. So from here, open your legs. Alright, you're gonna slide to your left. 1 and 2. Then raise your left. 3 and 4. Alright, hello. Again. So 5, 6, 7. Slide to the 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Good. Next. Your right is facing the right, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and. So basically 4, 5 and 6 and. But this one with a little bit of delay. 6 and. Go 7. Go away. 7 and 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7 and go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and wait 7 and 8. You got it? Let's try a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7 and slide 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and. Good job. Next, go to the front. 1, 2. Give. You need to plie down. Sorry, down. 1, 2. Shoulder up. Left shoulder and 3. Drop and 4. Let's try that one. 5, 6, 7. 8 and 1, 2 and 3. This one and 4. Go 5, 6. Make a circle, then put down your right finger. 8 and punch. One more time. 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Go 5, 6, 7 and. Suppose 8, but it's 7 and 8 and close. Alright. Let's try again. Counting is very confusing. Let's try one more time. Let's do it from here. 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. This one is like 8 and. 2 hit to the front, 8 and cross. So 8 and 1, 2, 3, drop on 4. Until here first. Let's try from the beginning first. First and second, let's meet up. So 5, 6, 7 and slide 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Here we go. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1. Open 2, front 3, drop on 4. Next. So from here, 3 and 4. This one is simple. Just 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 6. We start from the legs first. 3, 4. Go left, right, left, open, close. Then your hand it goes like this. 3, 4 and 5, 6. One more time. 7. See this one crossing. Then 8. Got it? Let's try. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Let's try from 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Now let's try from the beginning. First, second, and third. Here we go. 5, 6, slide, 7, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, drive, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and then 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Alright, next. So we end up on 5, 6, and 7, 8. So from here you're gonna drop your left, then going to your left side. So it goes like this. 7, 8, go. Bend back, and then 1 and 2. Again, 6, 7, 7, 8, go. 1 and 2. Brush 3 and 4. 7 and go to 3. Hit. One more time. 7 and 8, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. From here, cross to the front. 5, 6, 7, and. Got it? One more time. Here, 3 and 4. Right front, left back, center, in. This is set, bend, da, lift, go away, and down. Like boom, pam, 7, and doom, down. Like ta, ta, like that. Alright, let's try one more time. 6, 7, 8, go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and boom, ta. One more time. You got it, girls? You guys, you got it? Alright, you can still rewind it anyway. So 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, go. 5, 6, 7, right, left, up, down. Alright, good job. Now let's try 1, 2, 3rd, and 4th, 8. Ready? Here we go. 5, 6, slow, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, like to cool, eyes, 5, 6, here we go, and 8, back, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, and boom. Yeah. Alright, next, after the pump. By the way, let's try one more time on this part. From here, 1 and 2, 6, 7, and go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, boom, change. Okay, from here, 1, 2. Couple change, right step, tap. Alright, 1 and 2, this is 3, 4, then glide, 5, 6, 6, chest set, bend, 8. Close on 1. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8, 1, 2, ball change, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Good. Alright, let's continue from here. By the way, from here, like sa, da, da, and then use your hand. So this is 1, 2, clap on 4. So 3, 4, ball change again, but this time going to the side. Go 5, 6, facing front, then you're gonna go 7, 8. That one is super quick. Cha, 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 like conversation, like that. Let's try. So 7, 8, 1, 1, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 5. Yes! Good job! Alright guys, let's try everything from the beginning. We do it slowly, okay? Here we go. In 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, drop and 1. I said slow, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, cross 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that simple choreography that we made today. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comments to our videos. Alright? We'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.